In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to practice free kicks in the practice arena on FC24. So from the main homepage, scroll down on this main menu until you go to Learn to Play. Select that. A little sub menu will appear below that, so go to it and select Practice Arena. And that's going to open the practice arena like that. So what you want to do now is press the options button on your controller, and that's going to give you a little menu in the top left corner. Now here, go to free kick and select that, and then press the middle button on your controller. First of all, choose the starting position where you want to practice your free kicks. For instance, if I want to practice from this particular spot, I'll press X, and now I can start practicing my free kicks. So as you can see, we are now practicing free kicks. And after every shot, you can now move the starting position. And you can keep practicing until you're happy with your free kicks. Okay. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.